Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to find the USDT address on Binance. So the first step is to simply go to binance.com and then simply log in into your account. Then what you're gonna have to do is simply click on wallet at the top, and then you're gonna get redirected to your dashboard where you're gonna have to simply go to fiat and spot. Now, if you want to search to find the USDT address, simply search for USDT in the search bar, and then after that, after you click on USDT, you're gonna have to select the network, and then basically what you're gonna have to do next is to simply copy the address. As you can see, they're gonna show you the address, they're gonna show you the QR code, and basically you can share this with other users, and basically you can receive USDT on this specific address. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.